Hi friends, and welcome back to DreamingUpDemming. Today's vlog is a short vlog, but it's all about my stay at Universal's Helios Grand Hotel. We had the opportunity to stay there in the Deluxe club level room with park view. It was astonishing. The view was incredible. The overall stay was just amazing. This bedroom included the 2 queens, also a pull-out sofa. It had tons and tons of space. One of the benefits too is you get club level access. So you have the club lounge that you get to take advantage of multiple times throughout the day, and I'll get into more detail as soon as we get into our vlog today. But there are tons of great food options, drink options. They had Coke Freestyle machine and a much needed latte machine. Overall, we had an incredible stay at Universal's Helios Grand Hotel, and I can't wait to share all these details with you for your next trip. Let's start off with a room tour. So I don't know if you saw right there at the beginning, but this is room 942 if you want a reference of what exact room we had. It was a grand central location with the perfect view of the park. You'll see in just a minute. But as we turn to the right, we have our closet available with robes and ironing board and tons of hanging space. And if you turn around, this will be your restroom area, which is great. The sink is outside of the toilet and tub area, so someone can be using the sink while someone's using the restroom. They have tons of little amenities. I love this magnifying mirror, especially if you do your makeup in the morning. Over here we have more of the amenities with the shower cap and lotion and our glassware. They didn't have pump soap, they only had the bar soap, which was a little surprising. In our drawer here, we have our towels. You can always call and ask for extra towels. We needed it with all the kids. Then we have our hair dryer. And this looks like just some extra storage space. So maybe if you were here on a long haul trip for multiple days, you would have some space for your vanity needs. Inside we have our restroom with tons of more towels, our toilet and tub. Now most of the rooms only had a walk-in shower option, but we did call ahead to see if they had any tubs, and they did. And I'm so thankful we called. So they do offer showers with a tub combo. Just be sure to call ahead of time. They also do have ADA compliant restrooms as well. Now let's get into our bedroom. This bedroom is the Deluxe Club Level Room Park View. This includes the 2 queen beds. There's also a pull-out bed in the couch that you'll see in just a couple minutes. This room is 415 square feet. It felt so spacious, especially since we had my husband, myself, our 2 kids, and a giant stroller. And one cool thing with the TV I just showed you, it has access to YouTube, which is great with no ads. And down here we have a refrigerator, so if you have any medical needs that need refrigeration, you've got that for your drinks and your snacks as well. Then we have some empty drawer space. You can unpack your suitcases and put in your clothes in there. We were only here for 2 nights, so we were just living out of our suitcases for this one. All right, now let's take a look at my favorite part of every hotel, the vanity. So this is where I actually did my makeup every morning. But if you needed that table also for business, it's a perfect spot. With 2 adults and 2 kids, we fit perfectly in the 2 queen beds. But what's something cool about this room is check out this tablet. With this tablet, you can control the lighting, you can control the curtains, and control the temperature right from your bed, so you don't have to get up if it's a little too hot in the middle of the night. Here we have our USB ports and plugs, and additional space in the drawers below in your nightstand. Now let's turn around. Look, see, I have my stroller there, and there's still tons and tons of space in this area. Now this is the Deluxe, so the Deluxe is going to have a lot more square footage space. But just check out this view. As you can see, my kids were glued to the glass. They were staring out this window for such a long time. They were so excited to get into the theme park. One thing I was curious about is the early entry to the theme park. And as we go down here below, you will see that special pathway to enter the park for early hours. Now let's talk about the club access. Now the lounge access has continental breakfast service, afternoon delights, and this is the afternoon delights. So this is available from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if you check in early, and we were lucky enough that our room was already ready, you can get access to this club and have your snacks, make yourself a coffee with some delicious syrup. They also have great options with their coffee machine. They have lattes, cappuccinos, and over here we have a fresh fruit platter, which I took advantage of. I had to take all the strawberries for my son because he loves berries. But one great plus was definitely the Coke Freestyle machine. Now, just so you know, the club level only has a view of the parking side, so you will not get park view while you're enjoying the lounge. Now, when we were here, each time we visited, there was never trouble finding space at the lounge. We must have just hit it at really good times, but we always were able to find seating, which is a great plus. One thing we forgot to take advantage of is they have light evening hors d'oeuvres from 5 to 7 p.m., something sweet from 8 to 9 p.m., and complimentary beer and wine available from 5 to 9 p.m. Now let's talk about breakfast. The breakfast is available from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. that has the fresh fruits, the pastries. We have apple juice, orange juice. They had different types of milk, which is great. They had whole milk, which is what my son drank, so I was a huge plus there. And then they had a wall of cereal. We went through some Frosted Flakes, let me tell you. Of course, I took advantage of the latte this morning. I had the delicious vanilla latte. They have all these cute little jams and honeys and even mini Nutella, and then they have your bagel and toast options with a toaster available. Overall, we had a fabulous time at Universal's Helios Grand Hotel, and I really hope this video will help you plan your next trip to Universal's Helios Grand Hotel.